Hi, today we'll unbox this huge AMD Radeon RX 9070XT graphics card from Sapphire and install it on an ASRock motherboard inside an NZXT H5 PC case. This GPU is a great upgrade for your PC if you plan to play games or edit videos. The card features 16 GB of GDDR6 memory on a 256-bit bus, as well as 2 HDMI and 2 DisplayPort outputs, giving you the option to use multiple monitors for the best experience. This graphics card has a typical power draw of around 304 watts, so don't forget to use a good quality PSU for your setup. Now, let's unbox this card and get it installed.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.